Including interstates, Texas has more than 80,000 miles of roadways statewide, the most of any state in the nation. Keeping tabs of needed repairs can be time-consuming. The Texas Department of Transportation, with help from the Texas A&M Transportation Institute, is applying proven technologies like LIDAR in new ways to facilitate maintenance activities, including reducing assessment time.
LIDAR, mobile LIDAR in particular, is a tool that allows us to collect all of this geometric data at highway speeds. So we can throw it on a truck, we can drive at highway speeds, we can collect all of this geometric data, and then we can use that data to look at how surface drainage will flow across the roadway.
We had a stretch of roadway that had a lot of runoff the roads, and we were observing it. We were looking at it in the rain, but we were concerned that we were missing something, that there was something there based off of the wet surface crash reduction program and it being a repeat location.
The main thing we were trying to accomplish, in particular for the Atlanta district, which is where we started out, was to identify potentially critical drainage basins on some of their roadways. So where is it on their network that the geometry might be contributing to hydroplaning potential? And so to accomplish it, we deployed our mobile LIDAR. We went up there, they told us the roads that they were interested in, and we did kind of a mass network scan, collected a lot of data, came back in, processed it, looked at all of it, ran it through our algorithms that we had developed, and then identified the drainage basins that we thought the district should look at doing something about on their network.
So here he had all the LIDAR data. He was running the algorithms and trying to find those locations that we both have incidents and there seem to be issues with water, possibly geometric, possibly rutting, things to that effect. And all of that together, the culmination of several items, making a location that was considered a location that was prone or possible location.
Because we have this technology, it allows us to go out there and identify these basins and then work with TxDOT to hone that solution and say, oh, the real problem exists at this point, and this is why that problem exists. Here are some potential solutions that you can deploy, and then it allows TxDOT to budget appropriately and manage their budgets. It might be that you don't need to repave 3 or 4 miles of the roadway if you can just work in maybe 2 or 3/10 of a mile.
This could potentially provide a bird's eye view of locations that are questionable. To find those locations, that's what this research is about. That's the locations that may need improvement, that we have a chance to make a difference in safety for the traveling public.
Wet weather crashes are a very real issue for every user out there. And there are things that the managing agency can do to mitigate wet weather crashes. And we can give you the data that can help make those decisions on where to go work and what to do.
For more information and to find the publications for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.